So here we have the grams 72mm black throttle body. I'll be using it for my TSX. Fittings, bolt. And there it is, the grams throttle body. Right away, size wise, it's noticeably bigger than the TL. The TL actually measures on the inlet side at 68mm and on the outlet side just around 65mm, whereas the grams on the inlet side is reading around 80mm, and of course the outlet side should read 72. So it definitely looks better when it's mounted in the engine bay. It's going to be like that. Inlet side, the engine behind, and the intake manifold on this side. It's a lot better looking than having this in your bay. Performance wise, we'll find out, but I'm pretty sure being around 3.15 inches versus 2.75, gonna have a hard time finding a coupler for this. Maybe have to heat up the coupler to get around, and my intake will be 3-inch. So I'll update you guys once everything's installed and go from there. Thanks.